Hello everybody, Papa Blue Shirt. I took a ride the other day and I wasn't planning on recording, but a lot of things happened that day, so I'm going to take you along for the ride. I had originally was going on this ride so I could spy out a new route, and evidently I didn't plan it very well, and I had a few problems. I planned this ride. I planned it all on the Commut app. It shows you a map, and so I picked out the roads I wanted to go down. And it turns out a few of the roads were not really roads. They were worse than logging roads, a couple of them. And anyways, I went over there on this day because I wanted to beat the rain that was coming the next day. And I got halfway over there and I got stuck in a downpour. And so it downpoured on me. I was soaking wet. And so that was the beginning of my day. I should have turned around then and went home, but it was about to get worse. Here we go. Here's what happened. Well, there's the thing there. So we're gonna head down here. I was coming today because it wasn't gonna rain. Yeah. Oh, look at this. That's beautiful. Fish jumping all over the place. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? First time I've ever been back here. This road is 6 miles long of gravel, so we'll see how this goes. I don't know what that is in the water. Oh, wow. But I chose today because it's supposed to rain tomorrow. And you see how it is, it's raining today. Real nice rocks down here. This is all bottom, so you know it's very fertile. Well, there's the Mississippi River. If you look way across there, that's Missouri. About halfway across is Missouri. Wow, look at this boat ramp. Would you want to take this boat ramp? Not me. Not me. I'd be scared to death to launch a boat here. Look how fast that water is. Look at that big bird there. I think it's a bird. What is that? Yep, some kind of bird. Says, I'm out of here. But look at there. Mississippi River. You're gonna circle back on me now. Wow. That's awesome. You got a big area here. Kind of black top and concrete together. Look at this. This is like another world. Both sides of the road here. I'm going to go off here. Wow. Well, that was a steep hill. Had to put an all-wheel drive in. Still gaining speed, but not like usual. Look at these hills. Well, I had a flat tire. I was coming down this road. It was just a pig trail road. and my tire started going flat, and I knew my wife wasn't going to be able to find me down there. I didn't know where I was, and so I made it out here to this road. In the meantime, the tire went all the way flat, and then my bike fell over, and now my battery's loose. But hopefully it didn't hurt it too bad. Probably have to rearrange it or something. Put some washers in it, probably just pulled through, but yeah, one thing is another. Hopefully my wife will be here soon. Trying to explain to my wife how to find me. We got all this technology. She doesn't know how to operate it, and so I have to talk her in. I can't see very good because I don't have my glasses. So, and I have no idea where I'm at. This is the first time I went this way. I was trying a new route, and that's a pig trail road. I mean, it was barely passable for me. And I knew if I couldn't get out of there, there's no way she would have been able to come down and get me. So, and almost turned around and went the other way. And I thought, well, it looks like there might be a highway up here. And so I come this way, and it was a half a mile. I was able to ride it and got here before it got all the way flat. But then, as it went all the way flat, it fell over. So hopefully I didn't break something too bad. Here comes my sweetheart, rescuing me. Rescuing me. Pull up a little bit. Oh, the butterflies. There's like 8 of them here. Hello everybody, Papa Blue Shirt. I was able to get myself home. We made it home, and she did find me. And we learned a few lessons, taught her a few things, how to find on the find a phone, and how to find me on Google Maps. And so hopefully we can avoid that the next time. I did here. This is fine. What happened is it just bent the screws over, and so I took a couple of screws off my wife's because she wasn't using hers, and so I'm using that. So that'll be good. And what caused the flat was a piece of wire from a radial tire. That's like the second or third time that's happened to me. Yeah, so it wasn't because I went down that pig trail road. That was a horrible road. I got to look on Google Maps before I do a new route and try to make sure that that it's passable. Anyways, I did add another thing here. This has a can of Fix-A-Flat in it. And I do have a little hand pump here. If I'd had either of those, that would have solved my problem. And I took, on my H8 while I was working on it, I took the tube out because it had so much flat out in it. I replaced it, just a bare tube. And so I took that tube, emptied about half of the flat out of it, and put it in here. So I did find the wire in the tire itself, and I was able to pull it out. But just in case, that should protect me. And because I got probably a couple more thousand miles on there, so that'll last me hopefully until I can get my new tire. I'm actually going to order them tonight just so I have them on hand. And yeah, so that's that. So we're going to go on my 70-mile ride, and we'll see how it goes. Hopefully I won't have no more problems. And man, that made me mad that it tipped over. Didn't seem to hurt nothing other than bend knees. So, and I don't think my crank arm was bent or nothing. So hopefully we won't have no more problems there. So yeah. The reason I took the tube out of the H8 with the flat out, putting flat out in your tire you do sacrifice a couple miles an hour. There's more of a sacrifice when you do that than there is putting on these Ultraverse tires. With Ultraverse, I didn't notice any difference, so we'll see if this makes any difference today. But I will have the peace of mind knowing that I should be okay. So let's get going. I probably won't do no recording today unless I see something, but I'll let you know how it went today. Looks like rain again. Yesterday I got soaked. Hopefully I won't today. Looks like they're watering the crops there. Yep, it sure looks like rain. Oh, so far I went about 19 miles. Everything looks good so far. All right, that should be pretty close to 70 or 75 miles. 74 or something like that. But yeah, I didn't see no change in the distance. It did seem to be not as peppy as it usually is, but there was some wind out there, so maybe that was the reason. But I'm gonna ride this. You can see they're starting to wear, so I'm gonna try to get a couple more thousand miles out of it, just so I can say I got 10,000 miles, and then I'll replace it. But I'm gonna order that right away. I forgot to mention, when I put this on here to begin with, it was off kilter a little bit. It was like they put the drink holders on at a little bit of an angle. But now after I fell, it's pretty much right on, straight on. So that's one good thing about falling, I guess. Yeah, that's sweet. Well, my beard's going crazy, but for all those people who say I look like Papa Smurf, I get quite a few comments that say I look like Papa Smurf. So here, now I look like Father Time. Alrighty, well, this is Papa Blue Shirt. Goodbye, good luck, and may the good Lord take a liking to you.